This is a brand new 2014 Cadillac ATS. This car has a 6-speed automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include Bluetooth cell phone integration, keyless ignition, a sunroof, heated seats, a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, steering wheel mounted controls, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, rear curtain airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, full power accessories, a rear window defroster, front and rear reading lights, and an auxiliary power outlet. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.
Thank you for considering the Larson Automotive Group, serving the Northwest for over 58 years. Come see why we are the largest automotive group in Washington State.